number 6 and 9. So, ayun, sinulat ko nga siya. And yung working title na ginawa ko is COPE. C-O-P-E. So, here goes something. Ano ba yung theory ng 6 and 9? Yun yung it depends kung saang end ka nakatingin. Sa point of view ng isa, it could be 9, which is correct. Sa point of view naman ng sa kabilang dulo, it's 6, which is also correct. And the thing is, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na mali ang point of view ng isang tao, lalo na kung hindi naman tayo yung nasa position nila. For example, we could be looking at the same flower painting, but we have different interpretations, not because one has superpower and the other one has glasses, but because we have different experiences in life, which could create different interpretations on how we see things. We may be experiencing the same situation, but our coping mechanism is far different from each other. We are in no position to judge other people for their choices because we don't have any idea kung ano yung mga available options sila. I've been thinking about it simula nung sinulit ko siya, and then I realized, napakadali para sa atin na mag-judge ng mistake at na mag-judge ng choices ng ibang tao without really understanding yung pinagdadaanan nila. Tayo din naman nagkakamali, and we seek understanding from other people. Sobrang selfish natin sa part na we seek understanding, yet we don't give it to other people. So, ayun. That's our thought for today.